Assalamualaikum, year one. Alright, today we are going to continue our topic on pictograms. Let's take a look at the learning objective for today. We are going to use the key given to interpret data, answer simple questions based on pictograms. The step to success: read and study the pictogram, use the key to label the pictures, read and answer the questions one at a time, use the given data to answer the questions, and always check back if you have written down your working and the answer correctly. Now take out your maths book 1B, open to page 157 and get ready with your pencil. We are going to do 2 pages together. Alright? Page 157. Let's read the questions first. Siti goes to the zoo. She makes a graph about the animals she sees in the zoo. So this is the pictogram. So there are lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, and rhinoceros. So this is the key that I'm talking about. The star represents how many animals, how many tiger, how many lion, how many elephant, how many giraffe, how many rhinoceros. So we can use star as the symbol. So each star, one star equals to, stands for one animal. So like this, how many tiger, how many lion, how many elephant, how many giraffe, and how many rhinoceros. So we are going to use the key to label the pictures. We have to count and write the amount here. Like that. 3 tigers, 2 lions, 5 elephants, 6 giraffes, and 4 rhinoceros. And then we are going to do step 3, read and answer the questions one at a time. So this one, we can use this data to answer the following question. For example, like A. Siti sees how many tigers? So take a look at tiger. How many tigers? 3. B. She also sees how many rhinoceroses? So rhinoceros is here. How many rhinoceros? 4. And then C. She sees the greatest number of which animal? Not number. The greatest number of which animal that she sees. So we can see from here is giraffe. So copy giraffe and write the name here. And then D, she sees the least yang paling sedikit number of which animal? Lion. Lions. Next, finding difference question. There are how many more rhinoceroses than lions? So we are going to look at rhinoceros and lions only. So rhinoceros, there are 4. Lion, there are 2. So what do we do with these 2 numbers? Subtract. So we have to find the difference. So 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So put your working either here or on this side. Okay, show your written working. Next one, there are how many fewer tigers than elephants? Same thing, finding difference. So this time we are going to take a look at tigers and elephants. So elephants, there are 5, and then tiger, there are 3. So what do we do with these 2 numbers? Also subtract. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2 also. So show your working here. So that's page 157. Next page, 158. The graph below shows how the pupils of class 1A go to school. So they are walking, by car, by bus, motorcycle, and bicycle. So this is the key. This time we use circles. Each circle stands for 1 pupil. So first thing first, use the key to label the pictures. How many? By walking, write the number here. By car, by bus, by motorcycle, and bicycle. Like that. Okay, write the amount here. And then we are going to read and answer the question one at a time. Use the given data to answer the following question. So first, How many pupils go to school by bus? So let's take a look at bus. How many pupils? 14. Then B. How many pupils go to school by motorcycle? So motorcycle, how many? 8. C. How do most pupils go to school? By what? So most means yang paling ramai, yang paling banyak. So which one? We can see it's the bus, by bus. D. The smallest group of pupils go to school by, yang paling sedikit, by car. Next, more pupils cycle than walk. So cycle than walk. How many more? Find the difference. So cycle and walk. Cycle, there are 11. Walk, there are 6. So we subtract this. Number 11 minus 6 equals to 5. So this time I put my working here next to the answer. Okay. Next, few pupils go to school by car, then by bus. This time we take a look at car and bus. Find the difference. Car, there are 5. Bus, there are 14. So big number, subtract the small numbers. So 14 minus 5, we have 9. Alright, so please show your labeling, your working, and your answer clearly, because on the next page is your today's practice, page 159. So let's take a look at the question. Yati's friends drink different fruit juices at her party. The graph below shows the fruit juices they drink. So they are orange, apple, stuffed fruit, papaya, and grape. So let's take a look at the key. 1 glass stands for 1 glass of juice. One picture of glass stands for 1 glass of juice. So first thing first, what do? Use the key to count and write the amount on top. You can put your amount here so that you can answer the following question. For example, like 8. The children drink how many glasses of stuffed fruit juice? Which fruit though? Which drink though? What is the most popular juice? Most popular means yang paling kanagamari, yang paling popular. Which one? Write the name here. C. They drink fewer glasses of apple juice than orange juice. How many fewer? So this one you have to find the difference. The apple juice and the orange juice. Show your working here and your answer here. Next, how many types? Be careful. How many types of juice do they drink? Ada berapa macam minuman yang ada? And then lastly, they drink how many glasses of juice all together? Show your working down here and your answer here. Alright, so let's take a look at this side. Students' handwriting should be seen in completing the practice given. Students must complete the pages learned today, which is the previous pages, page 157 and 158. These 2 pages, no need to share to teacher. Which one yang akan di-share? Only this page for teacher to mark. Yang this one, you must complete before sama teacher tadi ya. After you finish, take a picture of the completed work page on page 159 and send to teacher Amy. Make sure you write your name. You can write your name here, and written working is shown before you submit. Alright, don't forget the labeling, the answer, and the working, please. Alright, okay, that's it for today, year 1. Assalamualaikum.